All right, let's talk about the bobbin case and your thread. So on top of your machine, every day there should be this bobbin case. And this bobbin case is super expensive. It's about $42.99. And it's really complicated. It has a lot of little different parts. This is the front of the bobbin case. And then if you flip it over, this is the back of the bobbin case. And every day we'll put it in your machine right down here. And that's what will feed thread through the bottom of your machine. So next week when you bring your thread, if you bring a spool of thread like this, then I will give you an empty bobbin. It looks like this. And you'll take that empty bobbin, you'll stick it up here on the bobbin winder spindle, and then you'll also take your thread and stick it up here on this thread pin. A few of the sewing machines, the thread pins are broke. So if you can't see yours, first of all, look down here, because a lot of times it's just rotated down. But if it's not down here, or if it's broken off, you can always put your thread on this horizontal pin. You just need one of these discs to keep it in place. However, this is the preferred spot. It just pulls a ton easier. So in a few movies down, I'll teach you how to wind this around here. And so this ends up full of thread like that. And then this bobbin that's full of thread, you will keep it in your tote every day along with your spool of thread. If you don't happen to bring your own thread, I will just provide this and this for you, and then you give it to me at the end of class so I can give it to someone else the next class period. This empty bobbin, or this full bobbin, will fit in this empty bobbin case, and in a few movies down I'll teach you how it fits in there. But it has to have this bobbin case in order to sew. And so every day when you're cleaning up, this part either goes back to me if you borrowed it or in your tote, and this part, it comes right up here on top of your sewing machine, and that way I can see if it's present and ready for the next group. Okay.